Very warm welcome here on the 27th of October 2017. My name is Rishi Patel, co-founder, Master of the Markets, the Elite Traders Conference, and the Traders Open Day, and a warm welcome into Forex Friday this afternoon here on the Master of the Markets trading floor. We are looking at a review of the week, as well as any open positions. You can see at the moment we are currently flat on positions that are running. We don't have any trades at the moment. We have just been stopped out of a trade on the dollar Japanese yen, which we will look at very shortly. Let's do a quick review for the week by way of the trading journals. We start with the Elite Room. In the Elite Room, you can see here on the Smart Money Journal, no new trades. So you can see here on the screen, we don't have any new trades that have closed out this week, starting from the 23rd of October onwards. So nothing new. We have on the this is the money bars tab. Let's switch it over to the system. There you go. On the system tab for smart money, again, no new trades this week for smart money, so nothing new to report in on the Elite Journal. Let's go over to the Live Trading Journal, Live Trading Room Journal. This is the part of the Live Trade Mentorship Advanced programs here at Master of the Markets, where we are looking at trading customers in a live environment in our live trading rooms, which we run live and transparently. So let's look, first of all, let's start by looking at the cash returns. And as you know, we normally have two sets of charts, two sets of equity curves here at Master of the Markets. Everything is done by way of a cash curve and a system curve. The cash curve being how you performed on your actual account, and the system curve being how it should have been done if the system was executed absolutely perfectly. So let's look at the two sets of results independently and then make an assessment from there. So on money bars, you can see the cash for this week is minus 114 pips. We do also have, by way of percentage, we are minus 0.54% for the week there on money bars. So my apologies, minus 1.49% for the week there on those two trades. So we took a loss there earlier on the euro dollar, which you can see we capped the downside on with to 0.5%. We were initially exposed to 63 pips, but here we just took a loss of 31 pips. Let me show you the actual trade here on the euro dollar. The reason we were able to do that is because of a reversal pattern, which we look at very clearly here at Master of the Markets, which allows us to minimize our downside. So you can see that we basically have a reversal bar pattern just here, and you can see we trail our stop from where the initial stop was, and you can see that we have now gotten out of that particular opportunity for a smaller loss. So that's where we are on the money bars cash. Where are we on the money bar system for the week? Remember, I said there are two types of curves here that we are observing, and the money bar system, if we look at the week beginning 23rd October, you can see we are actually up 0.21% because of this trade on the euro dollar, and down minus 47 pips. So depending on how you're trading that, if you're taking the 0.21% upside, then of course you will be profitable for the week so far on the money bar system. Okay, let's now look at the total results for the month of October 2017. So if we look at the total results for the month of October 2017, let's start by looking at the system results. So to do that, we need to look at both the money bar system for October. In October, you can see on the journal, the transparent track record journal here, you can see that the month of October actually does start here. So currently, by way of pips, minus 13 pips. If we look at it from percentage, 0.78% profit for the month of October so far on money bars. If we look then at the liftoff system as well, you'll see that we are up 0.74%. So of course, when you add the 0.74% and you add the 0.78%, you get a total of 1.52% up for the month of October so far here in the Master of the Markets live trading room as part of the Live Trade Mentorship Advanced programs. What happens when you look at the system? So let's look at the system. Here on the money bars system, you're going to see that we are up, as I said, a 0.78% on system And on the cash, sorry, on the left-off system, we're up 0.74%. That means on the system we are up 1.52% profit. Let's review and let's have a look at the cash. So on Moneybar's cash, where are we for the month of October so far? As we're approaching the month of October, of course, the next Forex Friday will take us into November. And so it's important to do an October review at this time. We are up, or on this one, in terms of pips, we are minus 69 pips, and we are minus 0.75% for the cash curve at the moment, minus 0.75. And where are we on the liftoff? 3.0, on the liftoff 3.0, of course, we are up 1.45. So the 1.45 there, take away the 0.75, and we get a 0.7%. So we are in line very much, as far as pips go, we are very much in line with the system curve. You can see we have 139 pips of net upside on liftoff 3.0 cash, and we have a minus 69 pips of loss on the money bars, giving us a total of 67 pips profit for the month of October. What does this all mean? It basically means that the cash and the system curve are very tightly aligned, and so the execution you can see in the Master of the Markets live trading room is very, very good. And all credit to the clients who have taken these trades along with us as well. I know I've had a report from several clients this month that have been taking these trades, and of course have been taking part in the great upside that we've been seeing on the money bars, but especially the liftoff 3.0, where we took just 2 trades, but both trades grossing 139 pips total, 1.45% upside. So congratulations to everyone on that, on the trading rooms that have been taking those trades so far. And that completes the review of the positions for this week. And that brings us nicely to the topic of this week, diversification of our trading strategies. And I get a lot of questions in coaching, and so does Thiru, in regards to the different strategies that we're trading here. And some people do look at the trading strategies, especially money bars, for example, and do ask why we cut the profit off maybe earlier, and why the reward risk for it isn't as good as it could be. Well, you see, different strategies have different objectives, and it's important that we have a wide diversification of strategies so that we can even out the portfolio. So sometimes when the market runs, obviously there are certain strategies like liftoff 3.0, even liftoff 2.0 would have captured big runs in the market as well. But the different strategies will look to capture different types of moves. So liftoff 3.0 will hold for the longer term. You'll get less frequency of trades, but of course you'll get trades that we're looking to hold for multiple days. Money bars, on the other hand, you'll only maybe be looking to hold on average for 2 days. That's how long we'll be in a money bars trade most of the time. And this gives us a very important profit-taking opportunity and a diversification as well. If you look at the most recent trade here on the euro dollar on the money bar system, I will just go ahead and bring open the system on the money bars just there, and you'll see actually that if we look at this trade that we've taken on the euro dollar, we got in actually on the 18th and out on the 23rd. Have a look. In fact, sorry, no, I have to change those dates. That's actually not correct. Let's just make this edit while I'm with you here. It's this particular trade here which we got in on the 23rd and got out on the 25th. So let's just make that change. 23rd of the 10th, out on the 25th of the 10th, 17. If you look at this particular opportunity here on the euro dollar, in on the 23rd, 1.1757 is where we got into the money bars opportunity. Where is that on this chart? Well, that's actually here, 1.1753. Have a look now at where we got out of the market. We get out of the market, remember, on the confirmation of a swing high or low. Okay, and you can see that according to the smart money algorithm, the smart money indicator for which we base all of our trading strategies on, giving us the consistency, scalability and reproducibility here at Master of the Markets, what we're looking for is an exit on the close of this particular bar just here. And you can see that we took profit right on the high of that particular bar. And that was the objective of money bars. Now, not only did this particular trade make a 61 pip return or a 1.74% profit, but also look at what happened the next day. The Eurodollar completely made an outsider bar and fell away more than 2 times the range of that whole move. And so it is important to take profit at different levels in the market, at different parts of the cycle. And that's what we look to do, and that's why we diversify the trading strategies. If we now look at an example of the liftoff 3.0 trading strategy, here we had a signal for the liftoff 3.0, and of course this is the trade that we did take in the live trading room just there. This was our entry point in the market, and our stop of course was below the low. Now on the money bars, we would have taken our profit off the table at this level. So we would have got out for this profit just here on that particular day. However, the liftoff 3.0 does look to hold and captures a much larger range. And so of course here on the liftoff 3.0 we got out at a different level, we trailed the stop, and we looked to hold this move for a multiple amount of days. So we were in this trade for 7 days, and of course we're looking to capture a larger move. So depending on your personality, of course, one strategy may resonate a little bit more with you, and that's absolutely fine. But we do believe it's very important to have a range of strategies that hold the market for a different number of days, that have different reliabilities behind them, different frequencies behind them, and have different objectives. So they look to capture different parts of the cycle, and that's what we're looking to do here with these different trading strategies. So that's pretty much it from me for the week. Hope you enjoyed the Forex Friday once again. Here on the 27th of October 2017, it's Rishi Patel signing off. Until the next time, stay disciplined, follow your plan, and trade like a master. Bye for now.